La. Yeah, we already.
Avengers!
My finger controls are in desperate need of attention.
Assemble!
Go!
What is going here?
Slow now. A couple of times.
And I'm lagging. I'm lagging so bad.
What is that supposed to do?
I didn't say lagging so bad, you know, laggy. No, this lag is actually insane. My Wi-Fi, I tell you, my Wi-Fi is the worst Wi-Fi in the entire world. Bro!
This is so broken.
My Wi-Fi is broken.
You're beaming me!
Sorry.
I gotta play smart. I gotta play smart.
We can't do nothing.
Got the head on my baby.
Right there. Go. Okay. Sorry.
What is he doing?
Oh.
Okay. What am I doing? What athletes are over here?
Dude, it's funny, what? We're just hitting air, bro. You're both of them. Oh.
Got him.
I keep taking friendly fire.
Oh, nice hole.
What old?
Was that Aura?
He's like, hey!
Why am I lagging this badly? My picture keeps pausing. Good morning. Oh,
How did I miss? How did I miss? Oh,
you did miss.
Help me, Geiger. Geiger.
not that smart.
As it's truly important.
Almost hit it.
No.
Oh, no.
What am I doing? This is so cursed.
Where did you place your ult? None of us. Oh.
I'm just gonna stand there. Guess what not?
Hey, can you make yourself speak?
I think you might be in my war.
No!
It's okay.
Oh, come on.
No!
Help.
Camp the Monsters reference. Where is BMWs? Is
I'm not here.
Get your hands
Yeah,
off
block.
No, you
Oh, I
someone
missed.
hit me.
Wait, wait.
I'm a king. That's all I got.
Oh my. No. Oh my god.
What the fuck?
Ready,
No!
just go.
There, fuck!
Sorry, guys, I'm helping.
You're not helping him. Oh, hello! Hey, what you doing?
I'm
Look at
helping,
this
don't
image real
worry.
quick. Oh, that's P.
I'm helping. Oh,
Yeah, you're helping, huh?
no, no, no.
Yeah.
That's
Two down.
right.
Is the update out yet or not?
No, not yet.
No,
No.
yeah.
The fuck? Oh, I hit him. Nice.
What happened to your body? Nice minion.
I'm lagging.
What the fuck?
Oh,
Don't
dang.
take my choice, bruh. I have to stay with Wi-Fi. I have to stay with Wi-Fi.
The voice seems immersive, bro.
No. One apex.
Two more left. Oh, I see.
He's low, come on.
I'm below, huh? I'm not having
Oh no, he's not low anymore. Wait, what the frick? I swear he was low.
We got this
Wait,
guy.
wait, wait.
Come on.
Who came on
Press
the
one
idea to
button fast.
Wait.
Wait,
Why am I so sure?
Iris on.
Oh, it's just a...
This is of Iris on.
No.
Robot chicken. Wait, it matches.
Uh-oh.
Voice changer.
No, it's not.
Oh, Journey is the last one.
Don't forget about us.
Oh, okay, just be fair, just be fair, just be fair.
Minus one and I are ore farming with each other.
What's that supposed to mean?
Where are these little ones right here, Junior?
Nope.
Look at him, he's a big boy.
Let's fight, bro. Where? Oh no.
Oh, I wish I could fly him.
Both getting pieced up.
Guys, wait, I think I'm winning.
My ultimate.
Sorry.
Come here.
What?
I'm using so much oil. Oh.
I hit you!
Not good. I fall.
Yeah,
You moved too OP. You should go back to Dagon.
any last words?
Gang, you can't
That-
just do that. That's boring. That's really boring. Like you can fly. It's unfair if you can use your ornament.
Okay, hold on. Let me use Dagon.
That's
Let me
really
do that because
unfair.
I can.
How fast am I with hide and seek?
Okay,
Jay,
can we do hide and seek? Should we? I think I want to do hide and seek before the update drops. I want to do that.
Jay,
Oh, that's smart.
can you give me some speed?
Huh?
I want to know how fast guy can
Hide and
be.
seek before. Hide and seek before the
I'll be
update
right
drops.
back.
Okay.
Because
I'm gonna be seeker first. I'm gonna be seeker first. Hold on.
I'm very interested
No, I want to be Seeker.
in how fast
Okay,
guy can
Jerry,
be.
Jerry, use Scar King. No. Oh, wait, Jerry, use
I'm using.
Evo or
I'm
Scar
gonna use
King?
Evo Team.
I
You
think-
can just up my speed anyway.
Okay, well,
Put me max speed if you have to.
let me use toggle real quick because I can fly all the. Hold on. Go at Egypt. Go at Egypt. There you go. And then
Yeah.
I will put
Yeah.
everybody's.
Up my speed, then I can
Okay,
just
Jerry.
run to them.
Jerry's about to go. Okay, Jerry is going to have. Tico.
Give me 10x speed.
You could have broke yourself. So, come to some games. No, come to Egypt. I'm sorry, Egypt.
This isn't
You
Egypt
did.
anymore.
Okay. Is there any way to make me faster, or is this the map?
The 5, you could
Where did
1,000
your arm
is.
go?
I think there's no limits. I think there's no
What the
no
fuck?
How about,
limits.
wait, give me 10.
Okay, hold on. There are no limits.
I'm decently fast with my.
Why is this?
Okay, is this 10x?
Yeah, there's a 10x.
Okay, this is fine. So I guess. No, there's more spots at Egypt, so I'm gonna count himself
So I will be slightly faster.
Why
I'm
did
gonna
your
look
arm
down
not
at
let
Egypt so I
go?
can't see shit.
Apex.
So just let me know when you guys
go
are ready,
hide.
I guess.
Everybody, go
Your
hide
arm's gone.
now. Everybody, go hide now. Everybody, go hide.
You can't hide together.
Yeah, you cannot. I will put. JG. I will put my sub 1.5. Okay, for Mortem, but I put him in
Wait,
for
who's playing hide
2.
and seek?
You're the seeker, right? And we're playing we're playing hide and seek.
Like, who's involved?
Okay, I'm ready.
Wait, who is
Yeah.
this? Who is this GMK right here? Who is this GMK right here?
Let me.
Hold on. Let me hit you. Let me hit the GMK real quick. Apex, go hide. Go hide. Apex, go hide. No.
Are you not playing Apex? Apex.
Why is Apex not talking?
Apex.
I think he's not playing.
Apex.
Okay. Are you gonna play or not? Because I think you're saying like, Jerry, go. So he's saying no. He's saying no.
Oh, you smell
He's
lovely.
saying no. Okay, go back. Yeah, I'll go hide. BFW, you playing hide and seek, right? You're playing with us.
Hide. No.
Apex, you're playing. I mean, not Apex. BFW, you're playing. BMW, hello. I think he's gone.
I'm hidden.
Okay, hold on.
Okay. Let me go to Cell Games now.
Wait, who's the first hider?
The seeker is Jerry. Whoever gets found first is going to be the seeker, and I'll put your speed at 10x. Who is this other Scar? Who is this other Scar King? Is it BMW, that other Scar King?
No, he's hidden.
Okay. Yo, that's Scar King close to the city? Hold on, Jared, let me go check that Scar King. Hold on. Jared, let me go check that Scar King. Hold on. Do not go yet. I need to check who that is. Because I don't know who that is. I'm gonna
Who's
check
this
that.
GMK? Is this you, Apex?
He's the missing silver skin, so he is.
No, there's a default here. Is this you, Apex?
Oh, Sonny is the sparking, so he's. Sonny is not playing, so he.
I will.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay, so
yeah, no.
okay.
Is this you?
I
Yes or
know.
no?
I know, but I feel like you would actually for
This Apex.
I won't give the others away. I'm just gonna look for him with free cam.
Okay, I'm hiding. BMW, you're hiding.
I knew it.
BMW, you're hiding.
Anyways, I'm gonna go.
Mhm.
Wait, we're not ready. Hold on. I'm ready. I'm hiding. BMW, you're hiding, right?
Okay, if you're found, go to cell game.
So I think I saw Mortem hiding. So he is hiding. So he's hidden. And I think we're ready.
You guys are ready?
Sonny is okay. So he's got all these scars out of nowhere. So
Apex.
he's AFK. So he
I'm gonna
doesn't.
find them all.
Yeah, he's saying yes.
Okay, does that mean yes? Okay. Can I go?
Jerry, you go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, he's fast.
I love
Oh my
flying up
God.
fast. I know
God
where I'm
damn.
checking first, because I have a suspicion one of you is going to be hiding in.
Sorry.
Wait,
Yeah, I found
you have a suspicion one of us is gonna be hiding in what?
Yeah,
I
okay.
already found Incineros.
I got found first. Let me go ahead. Let me go toggle clip. Oh, no. Go toggle clip myself.
Okay, no one's in this one. Then the
If you
final one is over here. I'm gonna look there.
If you found me, please tell me because I'm in free cam and I can see you sometimes.
What are you checking right now, Jerry?
I'm at Island 1.
Who are you playing as?
G14, yeah. If you see a speeding G14, you'll know.
Bro is so fast.
I'm
I
really
don't
fast,
even see him
so-
anymore. Oh, there he is.
Jay, can you make me 5 times speed?
Yeah, I got you on.
Wait, do you wanna look with me? In fact, if you find anyone, just say if you find them, don't say where they are.
I see Scar King
Alright.
aura farming over here.
Huh.
Let's sell things. Let's sell whatever I sold.
Let me look around with toggle clip. Hold on. Let me look around with my no clip. Because I can spectate, right? Because
Oh yeah, I just
think
realized you can't do the evolve thing anymore.
Ooh, okay.
Where you
Okay.
use the bold skin and do the sleeping emote.
Oh my God. Perfect out of shot.
I'm stunned. Where could these people be?
You're stunned?
No, like I'm like as in like their reaction, because like I don't know where these people are. Because I know you were pretty easy. Because I expected someone would hide there.
Why is Joe running
where
like that?
Where is Jerry? Hold on, I cannot see him. Is it Island 1? You're Island 1?
I'm in the water zooming.
Okay, you're in the water, okay. You're in... Okay, that's Apex, that's not Jerry. So you're in the water somewhere, hold on. I need to find you.
Okay, now I'm at Island 2.
Bro's running
Back in the
so
building.
fast. Gas,
I don't-
gas, gas, I'm
I
gonna
don't
step
see
up
you.
the gas.
Yeah, I cannot find you. You're like impossible. Where is Jerry? Could be.
Where could you guys be?
Let me pull all my graphics up. Oh, there is it.
Can you guys let me know if you see me? Wait, wait. Wait,
That's me.
who are the hiders?
I will always see Jerry because I'm on
most of
free
the
cam,
BMW
so
are next. So you two more. So there's two more. Well, there's two more.
I was able to see Jerry because even though it was
Oh,
very
you saw
foggy,
me.
yeah, because I
Okay,
was in free cam.
interesting.
I was in free cam.
Maybe I could see from up here.
I see you. You're foggy.
The way,
Get
the
out of
way.
here, monkey!
That's crazy.
Get out
I
of here!
found
what?
one.
Well, there's someone.
Oh, you found someone. Okay.
Interesting.
But I'm not gonna tell where he is though.
I know that's what I asked for you to do.
Where's Jerry? I
Freaking
lost
scared
him.
me, Jim Cat.
Oh, there he is. Oh my God, he's zooming.
No.
He's actually.
No.
Oh wait. Hmm.
He saw me.
Yeah, because I am free cam.
Oh, brick! I hadn't thought about that. How do I find
Sorry.
That's crazy.
Oh. You checking those rocks?
Have you seen me, BMW?
I see a.
You
Is
see
there a
me?
monkey? Who's playing as the monkey?
I'm the
That's
flying one.
Incinerus.
So
I'm G14.
I'm watching. I'm actually watching.
I see a monkey from a distance, very far.
That's me. That's me. I'm flying. I'm just flying.
No,
Just
they
watching.
removed the thing from the terrain. No.
No.
Maybe it
I
was
think
calm.
he's at Island 2.
Are you sure?
I said I think.
I like how in
Where'd you
free
go?
cam it gets foggier the further the kite is away. I don't think in Jurassic Park the free cam is good like that.
Wait.
Oh, I do remember. I was bald Evo, then hiding right here. I don't
Yeah,
remember.
you were really hard to see. Gang, were you there?
Get out! Get out! Okay.
Bro, where is Jerry?
Where are you guys?
Go free cam and check where Jerry is.
And Jerry's like, where they are.
Jerry is so fast I lost him in
I
free cam.
can't find them.
Bro's literally so fast that I lost him in the
Oh,
free cam.
no. If Jerry cannot find you guys, give him a hint because they.
Yeah,
I don't
can
know.
I have a hint?
Yeah. Give him a hint.
Near
BMW, give me a hint.
Antarctica.
White glow.
White glow? How is that a hint? Wait, I think I know what you mean.
White Claw. Oh, what?
Oh, hi BMW. I mean Apex.
What is this cave even based off of? On island 1 this weird hole. What is this based
I don't
off?
think he's in here. I think he's near, like, one of these.
All I'm saying is that you're very far away from me.
Do the freaking voice changer.
White below. Oh, it could mean the buildings.
Oh, it could be the building, huh?
I
Oh,
checked, no one's here.
I don't think a Titan could hide between these buildings. I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah,
Okay.
so no one's in this one. I've already checked the buildings. He can't be here.
Bro, so fast he was flying for a second. What is
Yeah, I
this?
could just fly across the map. Onto my beam.
What is that?
Wait,
under
it's
you?
good actually, wait. So he can't mean the buildings because there's no one there.
Oh, wait. Ooh, Jerry's go back there.
So why glow? I literally looked him multiple times.
Wait, you did actually?
Yeah, okay.
I have freaking
bye-bye.
Apex behind me humping me.
Wait. Come here.
Okay, hold on.
This hiding spot right here was.
So now I only gotta find Mortem.
So Mortem wins.
No,
wins.
he wins, but I still gotta find him. Anyways, bye-bye. Look how fast I am.
This is give me max speed now.
Okay, Mortem, can you actually give it another hint?
Okay,
Out that.
I'm gonna go find him. Mortem, give me a hint.
Antarctica.
Antarctica, you're also here?
Yes.
Huh. I know that you're a Gigan.
Because that's the only kaiju I actually bought.
Okay. Yeah, okay, Mortem says at Antarctica. Where are you, Jerry? You're at Antarctica, right?
Yeah, I'm having trouble finding him.
Where are you? Okay, there you are.
No, what are you guys doing?
Hide and seek.
Oh, okay.
Are you OG to watching Corey Kenshin, Jerry?
Am I what?
OG to watching Corey Kenshin?
Yeah, why?
Jerry,
Okay. Just asking.
I found one.
Give me max speed, Instant Rose.
Hold on, wait, where are you?
I found it, but I can't tell you.
I'm right here.
Hold on. True God.
1106.
Bro.
Let me put this. Yeah. 10.
Found it. Oh, that's good. That was a really good spot.
Wait, so is the round starting again?
No, it's over. So
The round literally just ended.
I'm gonna be the seeker. Everybody from Cell Games. Everybody
Can you
give
give all of us like really good speed so it can actually get to us
Yeah.
once fast?
Can I
Yeah.
take my speed 5?
Apex.
Wait, what?
Can I put everyone? Hold on.
No, you
I'll try
can't.
that.
You can't.
JB development. You just
Oh,
Go to
JB.
Cell. Everyone go to
Why do you
Cell.
sound like an AI?
why not?
Give me soul.
I'm faster than you.
No.
Fast.
Imagine if it was actually that speed in the game.
I'm hacking.
Alright, 35.
The Easter update for Jurassic Block is out.
You can't even hack on PS4.
Actually, you can.
Actually.
But actually, shit the fuck.
Why am
How
I
did you
so
get that
slow?
Okay. I gotta heal now.
Wait, can I have
I'm
two?
returning.
let me heal.
Okay, after this round, I'm gonna check out the Easter update for Jurassic
Wait, give me
Bro,
10x speed.
Wait, what? You still update for what?
Jurassic Block just came out.
Oh my god.
For what?
Jurassic Blocky.
Well,
It did?
Yes. Jurassic Blocky just
We're
updated.
not gonna do that yet. No, we're not gonna do that update. So we need to wait till.
Yo.
I want money though. I really want money.
Okay, how do I
Oh my god. Wait, let's see if I can
I'll-
drift.
I'll put my speed at 15.
Instant arrows. You also need a bit of speed if you want. And
Hack
I
you guys.
Antarctica. You need some speed to get
That's
Oh, I need to.
We're just a bunch of hackers.
Yeah, guys.
Alright, let's find out how you foot.
Well, I need. Hold on. Oh my god!
Oh my day! Did you
What
guys
happened,
see
bro?
that?
God
Where?
damn! Bro. Oh my god, dude.
Where is bro?
Bro.
Me bamba.
Much better. All right. He's just like.
The updating is not releasing. The update is not releasing. I doubt it.
It is releasing. Just wait.
Brain
bitching.
doesn't get released, so we get another people.
Everybody, y'all have to have. Wait, who has no speed? Who has no speed? It's like,
He literally says going.
does the guy have speed?
come out after he hit with his family. Not
Okay, everybody has speed, right? Everybody has speed, right? How about
I've
you?
got speed.
Not me.
Give me 1 minute, hold on.
Alright.
You can try.
Let's go. Alright, have it, thanks.
Alright, everybody, go high. So I will ban the walk, alright? Because more than actually want in the water. So like,
I have a plan.
alright,
Alright,
is
let me hide.
everybody ready? So
I'm not ready.
Oh.
I'm not ready. Please say this.
Be
still
ready.
up.
Speed ready.
oh my god,
Yes.
y'all saw me flying, right?
Go, you know, if you're gonna fly, that's cheating. 'Cause you can go underground.
Yeah, it's
Hold
pretty
on.
unfair if you fly.
Let me put my speed. Apex, are you gonna hide or just like? No, I'm gonna put myself at 10. No. Yeah, 10.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
That is-
Who's the pre?
10 is way
Who's
too
the other
fast.
pre-evolve?
When you're flying.
Okay, I'm going.
Okay.
Stop stealing my styles! Damn!
Whoa! I didn't know!
Stop!
Yeah, I'm ready.
The
Wait,
water
wait,
is
wait.
bad. The water is bad. Okay, Virus, let me
No speed, just saying.
give you some speed. Hold on, because we're doing hide and seek.
That's actually a golden hiding spot.
No, I think we should allow water.
Alright,
La,
fine.
la, 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 la.
Wait, let me become something.
Is this update ever gonna come out?
Lemon is with his family. So can't justify it.
This is the
He's on
best day
his phone right
though.
now.
So it's
Physics-
not coming out today?
JB and AOT updating
Yeah,
at the same
Not
day.
yet.
It's just gonna come out, but we don't know when.
Can I have my speed back?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Jerry. Jerry.
Yeah.
Galley Rex is purchasable now, I think.
Yeah, I've already bought it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I have it too.
Wait, Incineroar,
I have
can you
it
make
too
me
now.
fast? I'm slow again.
I'm born ready.
Here we go.
Right. Do I have new
Oh,
voices?
also,
Okay, I'm ready.
Yeah, also,
Not ready yet.
y'all know the Easter update just happened, right?
Yeah, I'm
Yes.
gonna play it
Yeah.
off
Yes,
this round.
yes.
Yeah, I am.
So y'all
I'm gonna
ready?
get Birdie.
Move!
I
Is
was
everyone
born
ready?
ready. I was born ready.
Are you fucking kidding?
Alright, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
BMW, you're hiding?
Yep.
Virus hiding?
Yeah, he's hiding.
Piss off! Piss off!
Alright, I'm
gonna
go
win,
in
bro.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Gotta be joking.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
Can't wait to win.
I'm gonna pick you first.
I didn't get to buy Galley Rex. Fucking sucks. Fuck it.
Yeah, it's not the
Oh.
best skin in the world, anyways.
Still, it's gonna be rare.
I found
That's
Virus.
like
Alright, go to Cell Games. Virus, go to Cell Games. Found Virus. I'm gonna go check in here. Oh shit, I'm too fast.
Yeah, I wonder the fuck why.
Oh, I found Mort. Who's that guy again?
How the fuck
Mortem, go to Cell Games. Mortem, go to Cell Games. Go to
This
Cell
is a
Games.
terrible Easter update for.
I'm just gonna grab the Gallyrex skin and I'm leaving the thing.
No, you can't buy it anymore.
Who's playing as a guy again?
Mortem got found.
You can't
Yeah,
buy it anymore.
Were you trying to hide or just helping me? Were you trying to hide?
You can't
Nope.
buy Gallyrex anymore. You cannot buy Gallyrex. Are you serious?
Yeah, I was just in a server, it wouldn't let me buy it.
Oh, Bunny is cheese. I'm gonna buy it after this.
It's the
Okay, no one's here.
Galley Rex is on sale. Did you guys not know?
No, it's not
I
on
already
sale.
have it.
No, it's not
It's
on
not-
sale. I just joined a server
it's
today.
not-
Fun,
it's
yeah.
not-
It was
sale.
fixed after a little bit after, like a little bit in
No, it was fixed at 9 p.m. last night. I just went into the server. It's not there.
Check
Oh, it was
here.
April
Just,
Fool's. It was fixed after a little bit.
just check here, just in case if there's like anyone in here, because more of them hide here.
It's doing the thing again.
I might just go to Resignoki real quick, buy everything, and then come back.
Okay, nobody here. Let me check here.
Alright,
It's doing
alright.
the thing again.
Oh, who's the? Is that someone?
Wait, what'd you say, Chris?
What
It's
the
doing
fuck
the
is
fucking
that?
thing.
Okay.
No, like it's doing the thing where I can't menu again.
He got caught. Sonny got caught.
Dang it. Man.
I knew it was. I didn't put it like
Fuck Lemon. Lemon is a dumb fucking bitch. He can go fucking hang himself.
There's someone here.
Cool. Fuck G19. Game's fucking unplayable if I can't fucking menu.
Hold on. Is someone being rocks?
You can just leave and rejoin. I don't see the problem with that.
If I'm in a server I like, by myself, and then I have to leave and rejoin, dumbass.
Makes sense. Why the fuck are you being mean to me?
Because I'm already pissed, bro. It's just, I didn't get it. Everyone knows I have anger. I don't get it.
Y'all know that. But it's like,
Who's that? Okay, Sonny, who is this? Who is this Monster X? What the fucking go? Sonny,
Wait,
go.
who's been found so far?
Wait, what?
Sonny, Virus, and who again?
Wait, I was first to be found.
no, I was.
No, I got found first. I'm gonna just check those rocks here. There's no way some people are hiding there. Okay, nobody's hiding here. I'm gonna check those rocks right here. Are these rock checkable? Come on.
I'm gonna play the Easter update and block here.
Alright.
I'm an OG 2K. Gold skins, AKA.
I honestly don't want to beat it. I used it before the updates. I don't want to lose my shit. Last time that happened.
Here, I'm gonna check island 2. Oh, wait, hold on. Is this rock? Ooh, check here. Is this rock? Sometimes there's some rocks are hazardous, but we could go through the rocks sometimes.
Am I winning?
So wait, who's left? Hold on, who's left?
I did. I love
W, Kana, and yeah, Kana, and W.
You still gotta find
it.
I went for multiverses because I have no business in Kaiju and Night Titans at the moment.
Okay. No, not clip. Oh my god, I'm so fast.
Dude. Said multiple inside of it.